Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the best dual-channel dash cams on the market right now, the VIOFO A229 Ultra 2ch 4K dash cam. VIOFO's been known for delivering incredible image quality and reliability, and this model takes things up another level with dual 4K recording, Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, and Super Night Vision 2.0. If you're serious about safety, clarity, and cutting-edge performance, this might just be the one to get. True dual 4K recording with STARVIS 2 sensors. Unlike most dash cams that compromise on rear quality, the VIOFO A229 Ultra gives you 4K resolution on both front and rear cameras, powered by dual Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors. That means both cameras capture ultra-sharp detail, even from a distance. License plates, street signs, and small text are easy to read. Whether it's daytime driving or night cruising, the footage stays crisp and balanced with natural color tones. Super Night Vision 2.0. Low light conditions can make or break a dash cam, and this is where the A229 Ultra really shines. Super Night Vision 2.0 enhances brightness and reduces image noise without washing out the scene. The STARVIS 2 sensors handle shadows and highlights beautifully, so you'll still catch crucial details even in pitch-dark conditions. Faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi plus precise GPS. VIOFO's dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes file transfers and previews incredibly fast, no more waiting minutes for clips to load on your phone. Meanwhile, the built-in GPS module tracks speed, time, and route information right on your video files. This is super handy for reviewing trips or providing evidence after an incident. Voice control and smart interface. The A229 Ultra includes voice control, letting you start recording, take snapshots, or lock important clips hands-free, perfect when you're focused on driving. The interface is clean and responsive, with intuitive menus, making it easy for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Large storage support plus parking mode. It supports up to 512 GB microSD cards, which means you can record hours of footage without worrying about overwriting files. Add the parking surveillance mode, and it monitors your car even when the engine's off, automatically recording when motion or impact is detected. Dual True 4K clarity, both front and rear deliver professional-grade detail. Superb night performance, STARVIS 2 Plus HDR combo ensures excellent visibility after dark. 32 Fi fast and connected, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and voice control make it feel like a premium smart cam. Premium price tag, you're paying for high-end performance, but it's worth it. Large file sizes, 4K dual video eats up storage fast, so use a high-capacity card. If you want top-tier video quality, reliable performance, and smart connectivity in one sleek package, the VIOFO A229 Ultra 2ch is easily one of the best dash cams of 2025. It's ideal for everyday drivers, commuters, and road trippers who want every detail captured, day or night. You can check out the latest price and availability using the link below. Backhand index pointing down. Backhand index pointing right by the VIOFO A229 Ultra Dual 4K dash cam on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.